everyone. Welcome to the another exciting episode. And today we have the very special guest. And guess who is she? She is a computer science engineer. As we all know that engineers are very cool and chill personality we have in our India's all over world. But today I also want to share one thing related to the engineering, and that is engineer is a person who can do anything in his or her life. So, welcome to our podcast, and we have the special lady, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, ma'am. Just tell me about yourself.
My name is Revati,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I have completed my graduation in computer science.
Yes,
and
yes.
I have done my data analysis courses. And right now, I am doing my job in data analysis.
Okay, that's a very great news, ma'am. That we have the data analyst with us, ma'am. Why did you choose engineering?
I think data analysis is like I want to do engineering first
Yes,
of all,
yes.
and I'm very I like in I like new technology, new skills, and that's why I done my data analysis courses because there is various languages like Java, Python,
Yes, yes.
but I like Python the most because
Okay.
I think it's a very easy and easy to learn,
Mhm.
and that's why I think that in the data analysis courses there is not much coding
Okay.
compared to full stack development.
Yes,
So
yes.
I thought that I should give a try for a data analysis.
Okay.
I can do full stack also,
Yes, yes.
but in the data analysis it's easy to me, and that's why I done my Python because
Okay.
in data analysis there is a skills that you need like Python, SQL, Power BI, and most you can for the replacement Power BI you can do the Tableau also.
Okay, okay.
Yes, and Excel. So I
Okay.
had done these courses and skills, and after that I applied for the jobs,
Yes,
various
yes.
jobs. Like
Yes, yes.
I don't particularly focus only data analysis.
Yes.
I apply for a new jobs,
Yes.
new relevant jobs. But I get a job for it in data analysis, and right now I'm doing my
Job.
best for in job.
Congratulations for the job, ma'am,
Thank you.
firstly.
Thank you.
And see, what happens with us engineers, that is, there are many sectors.
Yes.
But today, what happens with us that students are attract towards only IT sectors.
Yes.
So, what do you think about IT sectors? It is beneficial, it is hectic. And I also heard one thing about the IT sector, that is, IT sectors are in booming, but now they are faces some recessions also.
Yes. So first of all, I want to say that there is a diploma and engineering.
Okay.
Some of the student after the 10th they take a diploma
Okay.
in various field like
Yes.
civil, mechanical, etc.
Yes.
And also we have a CSE like computer science.
Yes.
But some of in my when I am doing my diploma,
Yes.
then is there was a boost in IT sector.
Yeah.
So some of the student thought that should we should do engineering in
Yes,
computer
yes.
science. So
Yeah.
they done their diploma in mechanical, civil, and then they take admission in engineering, computer science.
Yes.
But right now situation is some of the today we have a lot of student
Yes,
like
yes, we
in the
have.
various field, like you don't have in engineering only. We have a BSc student,
Yes, so many students we
BCA
have.
student who are doing their courses,
Courses.
various
Yes,
like
yes.
various skills they are doing,
Yes.
and then trying their best
IT
for
jobs.
the IT jobs. But today is a very shortage for the
Yes,
IT.
IT job sectors.
Yes, and for the and I think I heard that in mechanical.
Yes,
And in mechanical most of the students they done their diploma in engineering in the mechanical, but,
sector, but they still try for the IT.
IT. But I heard that for the
Yes,
female
yes, yes.
there is a very good chance for in
Good choice,
mechanical.
yes.
In mechanical.
Oh,
Yes.
really?
Yes, I heard that.
Yeah.
And That's why when I applying for a job,
Yes,
I
yes.
get so tired because not I'm applying for every
Many,
day and not
yes.
getting any response.
Yes,
So
yes.
I thought why I
Why
should
I choose
I
this
choose this
field?
field. I thought in some of the days I thought that why I'm doing this and
Sorry.
I'm doing this trying my application in
Mm-hmm.
IT roles. So uh, that's why I get very tired and thought
Sorry.
that I should done my engineering in mechanical or
Yes, yes,
civil.
yes.
But after getting my job, first job,
Mm-hmm.
then I thought no, I think I done my best and
Yes.
I'm not get. I'm not stopping. I'm not stop that because I'm not getting responses.
Yes, yes.
But and that's I think
It's a
I'm
very
good.
positive attitude towards our branch. See, I'm also an engineer and
Yes.
I'm from electrical department. Actually, today's what happened with us that electrical department is growing on and it has boomed now. So
Yes.
everyone told us that there is a many people who is just enrolling for electrical now. See, whenever at my time when I took admission in my college, there is just some minimized criteria, that means 60,
Yes.
50 criteria, but nowadays the criteria goes to 85 beyond, and people are just trying to, they want core jobs now because they are insecure about IT sectors.
Yes.
But still people want to choose IT because and also we are facing some economical issues in our India, as we know that. And we also know that the wars happens during this
Yes.
pandemics and
Yes.
many more things, so it affect on directly our IT sectors. And also, I think I heard one thing that in IT sectors there is a politics, corporate politics. Do you think it is valid or not?
I don't know about that much because I'm not.
You're not a part of the
Yes, I'm
gossips
not
and
part
all.
of this because I'm only focusing on my work,
Yes,
and
yes.
I'm not even talk to much
Yes, yes, yes.
colleagues of mine.
That means you are an introvert kind of person and you
Yes,
just
you can
involve
say that.
only.
You can say that I am
Yes, yes,
introvert
yes.
also. Not that much. Only
But
with my friends
yes,
I am
you are
extrovert.
comfortable
Not
with your friends
only
only,
friends, but
and
not that
yes,
much with
yes.
others. And I'm not. And I think I don't know about that much, but I heard that there is a politics
Yes, yes.
in jobs, corporate jobs in
Mhm.
IT. But let's see in future we can see that
Yes, yes.
I think I can get to see that
Yes,
some of
yes.
these politics, but
Yes,
I don't want to be part of
part of
this,
politics.
part of that.
But at
So
the time of promotions, I think politics will happen there.
yes, I think so, but I don't know
But
right now.
we will learn to tackle it only,
Yes, yes,
just
yes.
not a part of it.
We can do our jobs, and I think we should not talk about the others.
Yes, yes. It's
If
bad. It
it's a
really
bad
gives bad
thing that
impressions.
talking about someone in the
Yes,
back.
like backbenchings and
Yes,
all.
yes. I
Yes,
don't think
yes.
it's a very unnecessary,
Yes.
and it's a very bad for ourselves
Ourselves
also,
also. Yes,
ourselves
yes,
also.
yes.
So I think.
See, yesterday I have a presentation, and that time I discussed on the topic of the etiquettes, corporate etiquettes. Usually, what happened to us that there are many people who don't know about our corporate manners, but I saw that in a corporate manners, if in corporate, if we didn't use any etiquettes or manners, they'll judge us directly. That means they just give us tag that we are from Gav Ki Chori.
Oh.
It's a very big politics, and so that I decided no, I have to follow this all etiquette, so I start learning about that. What do you think about this corporate etiquettes? Do you think that it's valid or not?
I think ethics is matter very much
Yes,
because
yes.
it show that we are very responsible person.
Yes, yes.
That if you came late in
Yes,
your
yes.
job, they think that you are not serious person.
Yes, punctuality is
You
important.
yes, you are not serious person. But also you said in your example, I think it's not you. They don't have to
Judge,
judge
yes.
you like that.
No, they didn't judge me. They just only employ.
Okay.
Because I was there in for a meeting only. So there are many people in the corporate, na. So my colleagues just they said they didn't have any manners. That means they are belongs to village now, so that they didn't have a manners. And in our corporate, how will they manage, or how will we manage with them and all? But see what happened to us, that yes, there is a difference between a village and
Yes.
city mindset people.
Yes.
So that I think it's all depend on our beliefs. But in a corporate world, these gossips will really hit different because
No.
it's spread widely.
No, I think it's their mindset.
Yes,
Because
yes, we
of
can say that.
they live in
Cities.
cities. I am also from village.
Yes,
but
yes.
it's from like it's so many years that I
Yes, yes.
shifted in city.
Okay, okay.
But it's not like their parents also in
Yeah.
they're like they are not.
They are not responsible for that.
But yes, but even their grandparents and any their
Yes, yes. We can say their ancestors belongs from
belong
there.
to village.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
you can say that you also come from village. It's not
Yeah,
like
we
it's their
can
mindset.
say.
I don't think it's
Yes, yes.
good for to
Anybody.
talk about
Yes,
about
yes.
this
They're
about
like
that person.
we are bullying someone else
Bullying
and
someone,
yes,
and
yes.
it show their ethics.
Yeah, I
It show
think we
their
should
ethics
have to
that
maintain
yes,
the healthy structured or atmosphere in a
yes.
corporate life.
Yes.
But I saw these people, and yeah, this existed, you know.
I don't know about it,
Because see, there are many companies which are just startups and all,
Yes.
but they have their mindset like this. I mean, not boss and leaders, but these mindsets belong to their employees. Because see, we all have Instagrams, and there are many reels related to that. They are bullying this person, and nowadays government take a strict actions against that. Ki there is a rule. You should have to only maintain the particular atmosphere.
Yes.
And see what happens with our India, that we have so many religions in our India,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So what at that my time, there is a one girl who belongs to Muslim committee. So that time people just say see there is just a barrier between us.
Yes.
That time the rule came for us that no, there is no diversity. We just have to live a very healthy nature. So we have to maintain a personal etiquettes rule, and that time government also decide that the dress code for the everyone, and you should have to wear. That means it will it will hide your identity, and it will show that you are just a corporate employee. And I really like and appreciate this role. And see, now government also think about us, that if there we fought on the religious, so that time we will not effective on our work. So I think this is very good rule, and I think this is going on.
Yes, I think it's very good, but it's not fully responsible of government. You have to see. In India, there is a most 1.5 billion.
Yes, yes, yes.
Our
Yeah.
our
We have the population.
but only some of the even half population only follow rules.
Yes, yes.
Even today I'm on my scooty, and I'm driving my scooty.
Yes, yes.
So some of the students don't follow rules.
Yes,
like
yes.
they
broke the traffic rules.
yes,
and
like that. So and half of the population don't have a civic sense.
Yes, they didn't really have it.
How many they only they only
They just think about that it is our country and we can do anything. There is no
And
rules and regulation for us.
yes. And they think that foreign countries this
Very-
nice, and
yes,
even
yes, yes.
civic sense also matter, right?
Yes.
So
You
if-
also have to take an responsibility.
Only it's not like only government responsibility.
Yes.
They only blame government.
Yeah.
They don't blame themselves. That
themselves, yes,
if you like they are throwing their
Garbages anywhere.
garbages
Yes.
anywhere. If you take up if you eat
They-
chips like
yes, yes.
chips, and they throw their packet anywhere.
Yes.
It's a civic sense also matter,
Yeah.
right? So it's not fully responsible.
There is no only
Like-
restrictions for government.
Yes,
We also
yes.
have to manage this rules.
We also have to follow,
Yes.
and that's why I think
We should have to take responsibility for making our India.
Yes, yes. And I think even they only clean their houses, not
Yeah.
not even neighbor.
Neighbor's house.
They don't even clean. Like this area is our house, and
Yes,
we
yes,
only
yes.
clean this.
And
Not
yes.
even that much.
They become selfish there.
Selfish there, and in that also show that
Yeah.
they are a selfish person.
Yes, yes.
And they don't matter civic
They don't
sense.
have manners.
They don't have a manners and civic sense.
Yes.
And only blame government.
yes.
Government, how many rules?
Yeah, they will publish for us.
Yes, yes, and I
Yes,
think
yes.
that's also we have to.
Okay. It's very nice to talk with you, ma'am, and thank you so much for sharing your views, your experiences with us. Thank you, viewers, for watching us, and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Stay tuned.
Thank you too.
Thank you, ma'am.